Welcome to Bite-Sized Future, your ultimate guide to AI-powered interior design. Discover the smartest tools to plan, redesign, and style any space in minutes. From 2D layouts to 3D transformations, we make home design faster, easier, and more creative than ever. Let's turn your ideas into reality. Choosing the right AI interior design tool involves more than just picking one with flashy visuals. It requires understanding the full spectrum of what each platform can do, how it aligns with your design goals, your technical comfort, and the type of results you expect. Planner 5D stands out as a versatile starting point for those who want a comprehensive solution to creating detailed floor plans and experimenting with room layouts. It allows users to construct both 2D and 3D floor plans, accurately define room dimensions, and populate these spaces with a wide variety of furniture and decor options. Beyond its basic planning tools, Planner 5D integrates AI-assisted layout suggestions, enabling users to optimize the placement of furniture and the overall flow of a room. This feature is particularly useful for beginners who might struggle to balance aesthetic appeal with functional spatial arrangements. The platform is accessible via both web and mobile applications, which makes it convenient for users who want to plan on the go or leverage mobile AR capabilities for basic room measurement. While the interface is highly intuitive with drag-and-drop functionality, creating highly detailed or elaborate layouts can require additional time, especially for first-time users. But the payoff is a flexible and highly visual plan that can serve as a foundation for more advanced tools. Planner 5D also offers a free tier, making it accessible for casual users or those testing the waters of AI interior design, with premium subscriptions unlocking more sophisticated objects, textures, and high-definition rendering capabilities. Its integration of large furniture libraries and collaborative project sharing options enhances its usefulness for group projects, family planning, or consultation with design professionals, ensuring that even at the beginner level, users can achieve practical and visually compelling interior layouts. Building on the foundation of layout planning, Coohom introduces a more advanced, professional-grade experience that appeals to intermediate users and design professionals alike. Unlike Planner 5D, which focuses on accessibility and ease of use, Coohom offers a browser-based 3D and 2D planning environment capable of high-fidelity real-time rendering, which means that changes to furniture, materials, or layouts are visualized instantaneously with realistic lighting and shadows. The AI-driven auto layout and furniture placement tools significantly reduce the time required to optimize spatial arrangements, allowing users to focus on design refinement rather than manual adjustments. Coohom supports a vast library of furniture and decor models, making it a robust solution for users seeking both variety and realism in their interior designs. While the tool provides unparalleled control and visualization, it comes with a steeper learning curve than Planner 5D, as users must understand its more advanced features to maximize its potential. It is accessible via web platforms, ensuring cross-device compatibility, and supports AR scanning for accurate room measurements. Coohom also provides a free tier, which allows users to explore basic functionality, with paid plans unlocking higher resolution rendering and more advanced features, making it suitable for those who want professional-grade results without needing expensive software. Its emphasis on both precision and creativity bridges the gap between amateur design experimentation and professional-level interior visualization, giving users the ability to produce polished, client-ready designs efficiently. Homestyler continues this progression by offering a user-friendly tool that balances the accessibility of beginner platforms with some of the flexibility of more advanced software. Users can draw or import floor plans, place furniture, and experiment with different styles in a manner that is intuitive and approachable, even for those with minimal design experience. The platform includes simple AI-enhanced suggestions for furniture placement and layout optimization, which helps users maintain a balance between aesthetic appeal and practical space usage without requiring deep expertise. Homestyler is available both on web and mobile platforms, providing flexibility for users who want to plan from multiple devices, and its drag-and-drop interface allows for rapid creation of layouts. The 3D visualizations are reasonably realistic, making it possible to get a tangible sense of space and style, although they're not as sophisticated as the outputs from Coohom or other professional-grade tools. A free plan is available, with paid options for additional furniture libraries, high-resolution renders, and advanced features. Project sharing capabilities enable collaboration with family members or design consultants, enhancing its value for both personal use and preliminary professional planning. Homestyler effectively serves as a bridge between entry-level and professional design platforms, offering enough flexibility and guidance to make design decisions confidently while maintaining ease of use. DecorMatters takes a slightly different approach, focusing less on constructing detailed floor plans and more on allowing users to explore design styles and interior layouts creatively. This platform is mobile-first, though it has some web-based support, and is particularly appealing to beginners who want to experiment with furniture placement, color schemes, and interior aesthetics without needing precise architectural modeling. Its AI capabilities suggest styles and furniture arrangements that are appropriate for the room's dimensions, helping users visualize different possibilities quickly and intuitively. DecorMatters produces moderate realism in its outputs, which is sufficient for inspiration, preliminary planning, or social sharing. The interface emphasizes speed and creativity, allowing users to generate multiple design concepts quickly, making it ideal for brainstorming sessions or experimenting with various design approaches. Free plans are available, with additional features accessible via in-app purchases. The platform also supports social sharing and collaborative boards, allowing users to receive feedback or draw inspiration from community contributions. By prioritizing exploration and creative expression over detail modeling, DecorMatters complements the more structured tools like Planner 5D and Coohom, giving users a dynamic environment for testing ideas before committing to precise layouts or purchasing decisions. Interior AI shifts the focus to photo-based redesign, making it ideal for users who want to transform existing spaces quickly. By uploading a photo of a room, users can leverage AI to produce realistic redesigns, including furniture placement, decor suggestions, and multiple style variations. This web-based platform is suitable for beginners and intermediate users, as the AI handles most of the complex adjustments automatically, reducing the need for manual intervention. Interior AI excels in speed, generating high-quality 3D style renderings in minutes, which is particularly valuable for those seeking before and after visualizations or rapid concept testing. While a free trial is available, high-resolution outputs require a paid plan, allowing users to export professional quality visuals for presentations or renovation planning. The platform's AI capabilities enable multiple style experiments, providing flexibility and inspiration for users who may be undecided about their preferred design aesthetic. The focus on realistic visualization and ease of use makes interior AI an excellent choice for those who want impactful design transformations without delving into detailed floor plans or manual modeling. Home-Design.ai builds on this concept by offering a web-based solution that allows users to upload room photos or sketches, select the room type and style, and generate AI-created layouts and redesigns. Designed for beginners, this tool provides a simple and fast way to visualize multiple design options without investing extensive time in manual planning. The AI generates moderate to high-quality outputs, and users can experiment with various styles in a matter of minutes, which is ideal for rapid prototyping or preliminary design exploration. Free limited use is available, with paid subscriptions unlocking full functionality, including higher resolution images and additional style options. The platform emphasizes speed, accessibility, and simplicity, enabling users to iterate quickly on multiple concepts, compare styles, and decide on preferred layouts before committing to any physical changes. Its ease of use, combined with AI-powered transformations, makes Home-Design.ai a practical tool for both individual homeowners and designers seeking inspiration for multiple room types simultaneously. RoomDesigner.ai offers similar functionality with a focus on photo-based redesigns and virtual staging, allowing users to upload images and apply AI-generated style and layout transformations. This web-based tool is suitable for beginners and intermediate users, providing fast, high-realism outputs that allow for multiple style experiments without requiring users to construct detailed floor plans. Free trials provide access to the core functionalities, while paid plans allow high-resolution exports suitable for professional presentations or detailed planning. The AI capabilities are designed to optimize layout and style coherency, ensuring that even novice users can achieve visually pleasing results. The platform's speed and simplicity make it ideal for rapid experimentation with different design ideas, supporting decision-making for renovations, redecorations, or client presentations. RoomDesigner.ai complements tools like Interior AI and Home-Design.ai by offering an alternative platform for rapid, AI-assisted transformation of existing interiors, particularly when multiple style options need to be compared quickly. Our Imaging Home expands this functionality to full home redesigns, supporting multiple rooms, as well as exteriors and garden areas, making it a more comprehensive platform for users with broader design ambitions. Targeted at intermediate to professional users, the web-based tool leverages AI to produce multiple style options and layout transformations across entire properties, not just individual rooms. Outputs are of high quality, offering realistic renderings that facilitate detailed visualization and planning, although a learning curve exists for users tackling full home redesigns. Paid plans are necessary to access the platform's full capabilities, including high-resolution outputs and multi-room management. The tool supports exporting designs and managing complex projects, making it ideal for interior designers, property developers, or homeowners planning extensive renovations. By encompassing full property redesigns, our Imaging Home bridges the gap between individual room design tools and professional architectural software, providing a powerful platform for cohesive, comprehensive planning. ArcaPlanner enters as a modern, browser-based solution for 2D/3D planning and visualization. Users can craft floor plans from scratch or from templates, add structural elements like walls, doors, and windows, and create accurate layouts that reflect real-world dimensions. Beyond structure, it offers a furniture and decor library to furnish rooms, allowing customization of placement, size, and style. Its AI-powered rendering engine transforms these layouts into photorealistic images directly in the browser, a feature that blends accessibility with high-quality visuals. Because it runs entirely in browser, there's no need for heavy software downloads, and a free tier lets users explore basic features. Premium tiers unlock more renders per month, access to premium models/templates, faster processing, and unlimited project capacity. ArcaPlanner is suitable for homeowners, interior designers, and real estate professionals alike, providing a versatile solution for creating, visualizing, and experimenting with spaces efficiently. Space Designer 3D serves as a final option that emphasizes precise 3D home and room planning, enabling users to create 2D and 3D floor plans and visualize spatial layouts accurately before making physical changes. Geared towards intermediate and semi-professional users, the web-based platform includes some AI-assisted furniture placement features while maintaining a primary focus on detailed modeling and visualization. Output quality is high, with realistic furniture, lighting, and spatial representation, although advanced layout creation requires some time to learn and implement effectively. Paid plans are required, with free trials allowing limited exploration. The platform also supports collaboration and furniture library integration, making it a robust tool for users who need precise, detailed, and practical planning capabilities. In this way, Space Designer 3D complements both the rapid AI transformation tools and the more accessible platforms, rounding out a comprehensive suite of options that cater to a wide range of design needs, from quick idea generation to professional-grade project execution. Thanks for watching Bite-Sized Future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to explore more AI tools and interior design tips. Transform your home, one room at a time, with the power of AI. See you in the next video.